Okay, my dear student, good morning. Today day 16, part 2. In our last class, we discussed pair of linear equation in two variable. Pair of linear equation in two variable such that a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Clear? And in this equation we can solve it, then we can find the value of x and y. And if x and we get a particular value of x and y, there are three conditions. If x and y have unique value, and x and y have no value, and x and y have infinite value. Clear? In the same way, you know that if we have a linear equation in two variable, then it represent graphically by a straight line. Then there is two linear equation in two variable. That's why we can represent two straight line on the same graph. Then you know that if we have two line, then they are intersect. It may be possible they are intersect at a point. You know that two line intersect at a point, or it may be possible both line are not intersect. It means they make a parallel line, or it may be possible they are coincide with each other. Clear? If line are intersect at a point, then this point is the solution of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Clear? If both line are intersect at a point, then this point is like x and y, then this xy is a particular value, then this value we put in this equation, then their left side and right side are equal, then this value is the solution of this. If the line are not intersect, means we have parallel line, then in this case there is no solution. And if the line are coincide with each other, it means the second line lies on first line. It means both the line are coincide with each other. Clear? Then we have infinite many solution of x and y. Now we discuss with the example. Suppose here x plus 2y is equal to 5 is a linear equation in two variable, and x plus y is equal to 3 is another linear equation. Now it is pair of linear equation in two variable, and we can represent graphically or geometrically. Clear? Represent graphically or geometrically. Then first of all we can take a graph paper. It is better you take a graph sheet. Clear? But if you have no graph sheet, then by using a paper sheet or with the same copy. First from equation 1. This equation 1, x plus 2y is equal to 5. This equation 1 written in the form of y. Clear? It means are written in the form of y or x. Then here x is equal to 5 minus 2y. Clear? Now in this we can put the value of y like this way. Here x and y, minimum you can put 3 value. Clear? Now this equation is in the form of y. Clear? It means here y is the independent variable and x is the dependent variable. It means if you can put any value of y, then you get the corresponding value of x. Here we can put only y is equal to -1, 0 and +1. Here now if you can put y is equal to -1, then x is equal to 5 minus 2 into -1. It is 5 minus into minus plus 2. Then it is 7 plus 7. In the same way, if y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 5 minus 2 into 0. Then x is equal to 5 minus 0. Then x is equal to plus 5. In the same way, if we can put y is equal to +1, then x is equal to 5 minus 2 into 1, then 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Then here 3. Now we got it is A, B, C. We consider here A, coordinate of A is +7 -1. Coordinate of B is 5, 0 and C is 3, +1. Then after doing the same process for equation 2, now from equation 2, here x plus y is equal to 3. Now you are free to write in any form, like in the form of x or y. Then here we can write in the form of y. Y is equal to 3 minus x. Clear? Then first of all, you can put x is equal to -1, and we make another table. This topic is already discussed in the class 9th. First -1, 0, +1. Then if you can put on the place of x -1, then y is equal to 3 minus -1. Then 3 minus minus, it is 4. Then y is equal to +4. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3 minus 0 means 3. Then it is 3. If x is equal to +1, then y is equal to 3 minus 1. The value of x is +1, then it is 3 minus 1, it means 2. It is D, E, F. Now coordinate of the point D -1, 4, E 0, 3 and F +1, +2. Plus are not written, but you can write. Now we have the coordinate of ABC from the equation 1 and coordinate of DEF from equation 2. Now this coordinate plot on the graph. See, we can plot these coordinates on the graph. Then first of all, we make a XY plane. Here x-axis and y-axis, x dash, y dash, x, y. Here you know that it is the +1, +2, +3, +4, plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. On equidistance, we can assign a point with the help of a scale, and on x-axis in before the origin -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. On y-axis downside, every value are negative. Every value are positive upper direction on y-axis. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Then after from point A is plus 7 and -1. It means on positive x-axis we can take plus 7, then here plus 7, and y is the -1. Then we can draw a line like this, or it is better you use this point is A, it is plus 7 -1. Then after B 5, 0, then you know that y is 0 on x-axis and it is the 5. Then this point is B and it is 5, 0. Thereafter C 3 plus 1, then this value is 3 and it is C 3, plus 1 plus 3, plus 1. Now you join all the points with a straight line like this way. Okay? In the same way, for the equation 2, D is -1, 4. Then see, it is -1 and y is positive, then it is D -1, 4, 0, 3. It means this point is 0, 3. Okay, then 1, 2. It is, then this point is 1, 2. Now you can join it. Then at any point it may be possible, this line like this way. Then at any point it may be possible line are intersect. If we can take equal distance, then the lines are intersect with the help of see once more. So it is better you use the graph sheet, because if we use the graph sheet, then this type of problem we don't face. This type of problem. It is D, E, F. Now plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, here, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Then A +7 -1. Then it is the +7 and it is the -1. Then with the help of scale we can draw a line like this way, where both the line are intersect. Then this point is A. It is +7 comma -1. In the same way, the point B 5 comma 0. Then you know that y is 0 on x-axis. Then this point is the B 5 comma 0, and C is 3 comma 1. Then it is the 3 and it is 1. Then this point is C and it is 3 comma 1. Now you can join these points. If we can use graph sheet, then we got a straight line. Here we have no graph sheet and we have not any scale, and the distance are not equal, just seem like equal. And the same way it is D -1 comma 4. Then this point is D -1 comma 4. This point, and E 0 3. This point is E, and 1 comma 2. Then this point is 1 comma 2. It is F. Now you can join this point. Then you can produce it. Then anywhere it intersect the line. Clear? That means this point, you got the coordinate of the point. Then this point is the solution of this equation. Clear? By this way you can represent it, and on this line, first line you can write x plus 2y is equal to 5, and second line it is x plus y is equal to 3. This is the graphical representation of given pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay. Then after we discuss if we have statement type of question, and in the statement some words are given. Then we can use a particular sign on the place of that word. Now we discuss on which sign we can put in any particular word, on the place of any particular word. Clear? Okay. Now see, suppose in any statement you see after, later, greater, larger. Clear? From now. Successor. Then on the place of these word we use plus sign. It means suppose someone say after 5 years, then you can add 5, later, greater, larger, from now, successor, increased, also increased. then we use plus sign when we formulate the statement. It means the statement convert into the linear equation in two variable is called the formulation. Then if we formulate, then if in the statement we seen this type of word, then on the place of these word we use plus sign. In the same way, second, if it is ego before smaller decreased then we use minus sign. Clear? Then we use minus sign. In the same way, if in any statement we see times, clear, like 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, then we use multiplication sign. Clear? When you convert the statement in the linear equation in two variable, then this process is called the formulation. And when you formulate any statement in the linear equation in two variable, then you must know on which word we can put which sign. Clear? Then you know on which particular word, on the place of which particular word we put which sign. Clear? Now it is completed. In next class we discuss the exercise. Okay, thank you.